Hey guys, my name is Ahmed with Fire Between the Sips. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to a grill out tonight. One of our guests requested that we do something a little bit more vegetable based. So I'm gonna try to do my best on that. That could kind of incorporate tequila, vegetables, and something geared towards fall. All right, first off, we're gonna get 2 to 3 cilantro stalks, slice of jalapeno, muddle lightly, half ounce of agave, half ounce of nixta, which is a corn liqueur. You see that? Smells sweet. Next, we're gonna use the corn milk that we just made. You know how Elote likes to repurpose stuff? Well, just repurpose their bottle. They'll be happy. Half ounces of corn coconut milk. Half ounce of mezcal, optional. We're using puro this time. Next, we're gonna do 1.5 ounces of tequila. Using Insolito this time. Right, let's shake it up. I get to shake it up until I can't hold it anymore. It's way too cold. Double strain. Got a little garnish of some corn. Elote cocktail. Salud. Oh. It's refreshing.